This is important points of probability. Now formula for probability is number of favorable events divided by total number of events. Second point, probability of event plus probability of not an event is equal to 1. Probability of an event and probability of its complementary event is equal to 1. Probability of sure event is 1. Probability of impossible event is 0. Probability always lies between 0 and 1, means its least value will be 0 and greatest value will be 1. Remaining will be in between 0 and 1. Probability of event plus probability of complementary event is 1. Here in this case complementary event means not an event. Also probability of not an event plus probability of complementary event is also 1. Here complementary event means an event, okay, because not an event you have taken before, so here it will come an event. But in terms of complementary event you will write as complementary event, okay. Sum of probabilities of all elementary event is 1. So these are MCQ's type of information. Second important slide for the points of probability. Probability cannot be negative and cannot be greater than 1. It will always be proper fraction, or least value will be 0, greatest will be 1. If it is in decimal, then it must be greater or equal to 0, or smaller or equal to 1. Means so many formats you can see in the probability, in the decimal form, in fractional form, but you have to decide whether the given form is for the probability or not, because if 15 by 4, so it will not treated as probability, okay, because it is greater than 1, this fraction. And in terms of decimal, if it is 1.2, so it will not be treated as probability because it should be less than 1 and greater than 0. Negative number also we cannot take it as probability of any event, okay. Now few important information is 2 is the smallest and only even prime number, because this type of question comes in the probability, so this information is also important. 4 is the smallest composite number. Total number of event in throwing one coin is 2, okay, that is head tail in symbols H and T. Total number of event throwing one dice is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of event in throwing two coins together is 4. That is head tail, tail head, and tail tail. Now the next important points regarding this probability. Total number of event in throwing two dice together 36, because one number 1 in first dice and second dice can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, number 2 is on the first dice and second dice can have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So in this way you will get 36 total output for the throwing two dice together. Now regarding card is very important because all the problems comes, the 3 marks question comes under this category. So you have to recognize if you are not aware with this cards, so you just go through this slide, so you will able to solve all the problems. There are total for 52 cards, okay, 13 of hearts, 13 of diamonds, 13 of club, and 13 of spade. This is the symbol hearts, diamond, spade, and club. Diamond and heart are red color, spade and club are of black color. Okay, so out of these 26 red cards and 26 black cards, each of these 13 suits or groups contains like this: king, queen, jack, ace, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so king, queen, jack are called face cards because they have face over there, okay, on the card. Some faces you can see: king's face, queen's face, and jack face. And ace is there is special card, that is okay. So aces are like this: A. There will be letter A will be written over there. Okay, that is ace cards. 4 ace cards because 13 suits, each is having one ace cards, 4 ace cards. Similarly, king queen jack, total how many king queen jack can be possible? Like face cards, 12 king queen jack in each 4 suits. Okay. Total honor cards, These are king, queen, jack and ace. Okay, together. So 4 cards into 4 suits. So 16 honor cards. Total black cards 26. Total red cards 26. Okay, total face cards 12. Thank you.